everyone, Chef Marissa Catanzaro here. Today we're going to be making Verdure grigliate, which is grilled vegetables. This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. These are the ingredients that we need for my grilled vegetables: eggplant, orange pepper, zucchini, red onion, red pepper, white mushroom, and yellow squash. I'm going to begin to cut my vegetable for the grilling. This is our final product. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe and bon appetit.